Hello guys, kamusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at si Padre tiny bell button dun sa baba para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel, you know? At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito sa final performance ni Jessica Sanchez sa America's Got Talent 2025. And sobrang excited ako guys na mapanood 'to kaya i-play na natin 'to. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Tara, play na natin 'to. Alright, basahin ko muna 'to guys, wait lang. Jessica Sanchez opens the show with an unreal rendition of Die With a Smile by Lady Gaga and Bruno Mars. Kaya play na natin 'to guys. Na-excite ako. Siyempre, kababayan natin 'to si Jessica. Alright. So, eto na guys. Grabe yung boses niya, no? Sobrang ganda. Since I survived, I realized wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. Oh my goodness, kinikilabutan ako guys. It gives me goosebumps. Oh my goodness. Hallelujah. Ang galing niya. Halimaw. Sa galing. Grabe yung version niya, napaka-powerful. May nanalo na, may nanalo na. Uyan na. Wow! I'm getting emotional. Ang galing niya. Oh my goodness, napakagaling ni Jessica Sanchez, no? Ang ganda ng voice tone niya. Yung diction, sobrang clear, napaka-powerful ng kanyang boses. She nailed it again. May nanalo na guys. Grabe yung crowd. Wow. Nakaka-proud sobra. Napakagaling ni Jessica. Speechless. I'm getting emotional.
God, Jessica, Jessica, Jessica. You know, I feel like every time we see you, you kind of bring us into your world more and more. You give us more emotion, more passion. The one thing that I can say about you is no matter what song you
Oh my
sing,
God, ginigilibutan ako guys. Napakagaling ni Jessica.
just flawless and pitch perfect every single time. And I want to thank you, and maybe your baby's going to thank you. You've kept the baby in all this time.
Yeah, yeah.
Well done. It's a girl! It's a girl!
Wow,
I agree
congratulations.
with everything my fellow judges say, and maybe this is just my opinion, but so far, this is the best act of the night.
Oh my God, nakaka-proud. Mixed emotion ako, guys. Ino-hold back ko lang yung tears ko.
There was an extra 10% from you
Yeah.
from before. Maybe the fact, because actually there are two of you, so it's like a duo, right? Jessica, and you know what? It was so important for our 20th anniversary that you came back. Importantly, to show that even if you don't win the first time, you've got to always believe in yourself, right? And that's what you've done. And I think that was actually a beautiful arrangement. And I thought you sounded amazing. Seriously, amazing. It was, I think, the best performance we heard from you so far.
Wow. Wow, panalo na to. Napakagaling ni Jessica Sanchez, no? Sobrang ganda ng voice tone niya, 'di ba? Sobrang napaka-perfect. Sarap pakinggan, may emosyon pag kumakanta siya. And yeah, sobrang nakaka-proud lang and kinikilabutan ako, guys, habang kumakanta si Jessica Sanchez. Yun lang. Kung nagustuhan niyo to, guys, bigyan nyo malaking likes. Mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa akin channel. Bye po!